Hello. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up a leader hose, or some people call it a supply hose, once you receive your hose reel set. So as you can see here, I have the Claber hose reel set that has come. I've set it up already. Now you might be wondering, how are you going to fix this to your tap, or from your tap? How is it going to go into this hose reel? It might seem pretty obvious to people who have done it before, but to those that have not done it before, it does take some research, right, to figure it out. So essentially what you do need to do is you need to take out around a meter or so of hose. Now a meter really is an arbitrary number. You can use whatever length that you need from the tap to the hose reel. So first and foremost, definitely figure out how far your tap is going to be from your hose reel, and then do a measurement with a measuring tape, and then go ahead and cut the hose from the actual hose reel set itself, okay, from the main hose itself. So for me, I'm going to be mounting this on a wall when it's not needed for me to carry it around. So I've measured it to be around a meter to a meter, 1.2 meters. So I've already kind of measured, and I'm going to take the hose, okay, and we're going to make sure there is the length that we want from the hose, okay, to cut. So I'm going to put it all the way to the end here, right, and it should be around here. So meter 2 is here, and this is already accounting for the additional length, well, the very slight additional length that you'll need for the connectors to go into. Okay, so I'm just going to put down my measuring tape there. Now, I'm just going to bring it forward as well for you guys to see. So once you've marked out your 1 or 1.2 meters, or however many meters that you need, what you want to do is, right, take a sharp scissors or knife. In this case, I've got a gardening, kind of small mini gardening clippers here, and you want to just put it there and cut, okay? Now it should cut pretty easy like that if you have something sharp, which is why I'm using this, but really, you can use anything you want. And the reason why you want to use something fairly sharp that's going to do the job in a single cut is because you're going to have to slide this through the connectors, which I'm going to be showing you right now, okay? So now that it's cut, I'm just going to make sure that it's really straight. Give me a second. So, okay, I'm just going to actually trim off a bit. Just make sure that I have a really straight piece here. Okay, like that. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, so once you've done that, if you've got a straight piece here like that, okay, can you see? Yeah, pretty nice. You can see a bit of the weaving fabric there from this Claber hose. Okay, so what you want to do then is take the couplers that you have. Now, because you're making a leader hose, what you want to do is definitely one of the couplings that came with your hose reel set probably will be something with an AquaStop kind of function, which you can see here. And that really just means, sorry, it's the other way around. Yeah, AquaStop. And that really just means that when you take this out from the tap, for example, water's not just going to continually push out with pressure, right? Essentially, that's what it is. It's called AquaStop, literally water stop, okay? So what you want to do is, for this end, I'm going to use it for the tap, okay, here. Okay, so I'm going to take out this top part here, okay? And then, because it's going to go in this way, I'm going to slide this through this way here like that, hold it, okay? And then here you can see there is like a little area there that you can push a tube through, okay? So you want to push a tube right in there, pretty tight, okay? As much as you can. It's not meant to come out from this end, okay? It's not meant to come out from this end. It's just meant to push it through here this way, okay? Once you feel like it's in, it's lodged in, bring the earlier piece that you removed and screw it in this way so that it fastens the tube, the hose in place, okay? So, yeah. So this is the AquaStop one that I've set up, okay, for one side of the hose. Just FYI, yeah, this is the hose I'm using. It came with the Claber set. It's a 1/2-inch old hose. I think max is 10 bar, made in Italy. So this is the Claber hose. I think they call it silver, yeah, there you go. Silver Elegant Plus hose. And it comes with a special weaving that's a bit different from your traditional or normal 3-ply kind of hoses. So because of this weaving, it's anti-kink, which is not easy to bend, right? As you can see, even if I pull it around the corner, it doesn't fully bend, and therefore water is not restricted, all right? The other end, you're gonna do the same thing with another coupler or connector. This time around, use a normal one. Don't use an AquaStop, okay? And same thing, take out the plastic piece here, okay? Put it in through the hose this way, and then same thing, push it through here, all right? Push it through, okay, and that's fairly deep in, okay, and then screw it in to fasten it. All right, yeah, okay. So now what you have now is a leader hose, okay? I'm just gonna bring this down here for you to see. Yeah. So this is what a leader hose looks like. Now the crazy thing is I went to a shop in Singapore, it's a gardening shop, and before I knew that I could just make this on my own, again, sounds like a very obvious and noob thing, but yeah, I haven't had the need to create a hose reel setup before, so I didn't actually make a leader hose myself before, but they did sell something like this for the Gardena brand, I think. Is it called? Yeah, Gardena brand, pretty branded gardening brand, and they sold it for $39, right? Something like that. I'm sure it had, pretty good quality hose, but yeah, you can do this at home yourself with one AquaStop or water stop connector, and then the other one is just a normal connector, okay? So there you have it. You have your hose reel, you have your leader reel now, or your leader hose, I keep calling it a leader reel, your leader hose or supply hose, and then what you're gonna do is, on the tap side, give me a second, so on the tap side, you're gonna have something like this, which is the tap connector, right? Looks like this. And then you put in the AquaStop one, which is this one here, right? Into your tap connector, just like that. Put it in, oops, yeah, fasten it, yeah, there you heard it click, right? So it's in. Now, so this is gonna be the tap side, at the tap. And then from the tap, right, from the tap, the other side, you're gonna run it to the hose reel to click it in this way. All right, there you go. So it's really firm. That's something nice about Claber, I'm a reputable Italian brand, has been doing literally water delivery systems for 50 years, and the quality parts you can feel it's really durable, even the hose reel set itself. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So one to the tap, one in this way, and then later on what I'll be doing is I'll be taking out all the hose from the main compartment here, and then I've got to do one at the end here, and then one at the inside part, because this part actually joins to another connector inside there. Okay, so yeah, anyway, for this video, really what I wanted to show is how you can create a leader hose that you can use to join to your tap. or rather that you can use to link your hose reel set to your tap. All right. So if you found this video useful, do subscribe, drop a like, and if you have any questions about this particular setup, or how to create about the leader hose, feel free to drop it in the comments below. And yeah, thank you.